The story that's all new at 6. Okay, so if you live in Arlington, you may have heard this booming, banging. You hear it there in the middle of the night, early Wednesday morning. Well, tonight we know what that was. Take a look. Some late night pile driving at the Pentagon. And we're told this pounding noise went on well past midnight. Can you imagine trying to get some sleep with that going on? Turns out even Arlington police were apparently aware of this.
All the complaints in this general area is going to be from construction happening at the Pentagon. They have no ETA on when it's going to be finished.
No ETA. When is yeah, so we reached out to the Pentagon to find out what that late night work was for and if neighbors can expect it to continue. We're told by neighbors they only heard it Tuesday night into Wednesday, but so far still no word from the Department of Defense. And because this is happening near the Pentagon, I have a feeling we won't find out what that's all about.
Probably not.
Top secret stuff happening there. Hey,